How cool will it be if our puppets could move their hands along with the head? It would definitely be fun, right? And to make such a puppet today, I, Ronak, welcome you all to another episode of Puppet Making and Puppetry under What's Your Hobby? Hello friends! Today we'll make the third type of stick puppet which I named as the clown stick puppet. This puppet can move its hand and head simultaneously. Let's check out how the puppet can be made. The materials required to make a stick clown puppet are a colored A4 sheet of any color you want, a black A4 sheet, a white A4 sheet, and two felt cloth of different colors. Then we'll be needing pipe cleaners, sketch pens, paper cups, a long stick, googly eyes, pencil, scissors, and the glue gun. So let's begin the process of making the stick clown puppet. To begin with, this is the paper cup which will be the body of our puppet. If you have a white paper cup, you can design directly on it, but if you don't have a white paper cup just like me, then you have to roll a colorful A4 sheet on the paper. You need to use an extra cup and then cut the cup like this. Okay, and then you have to open up this cup. What you need to do is you need to place this on the A4 size sheet and trace the lines. So if we cut our A4 sheet like this in this pattern, then it will fit perfectly to the paper cup. So let's do the cutting. Now it's time to fix it. Let it dry for a couple of minutes. While this is drying up, you can also cut out a circle and put this here. So it's done. Now we have a completely blue cup. I think this has dried quite a bit. Now it's time to draw some patterns on it. So let's start. I have finished coloring the body of my puppet. Now you can keep it exactly like this, or otherwise you can design it with something else. You can make completely different patterns as well. I have decided to decorate my puppet with some colorful buttons. So let me put them. So first let's start with blue. So blue will go Here's how my puppet looks after adding the buttons. Now the main part comes of inserting the stick. With the help of pipe cleaner, we will make the hands. So first let us twist the pipe cleaner in this way. Take out the stick and stick the hands in an appropriate location. This makes the hand of our puppet. Okay, it will be fixed in this place. Now make 2 holes from the sides of the cup. So these are the holes from which our hands will come out. Now we insert this and bring the hands out of the hole. These are the hands of the clowns, as we know. Now what we need to do is we need to cut out the excess portion with the scissors. These form both the hands. Now the most important part is to make the face of the puppet. So let's do that. Here I have cut out the face of the puppet. Now let's draw the eyes, the nose and the mouth. So this is our puppet ready. The face is ready. A clown should always look colorful. So how about this small pom-pom on the nose of the clown? Let's put it. This is ready. For the hair, I have chosen red felt paper. So once the outline is done, let's cut this out. Here I have cut out the hair. Now I will place the head on the hair. Now what we'll do, we'll stick this face on the body. See, this is the puppet almost ready. Now we need the hands. For the hand, let's use some orange color. This will be the shape of the hand of our puppet. We will fold the paper like this and then do our cutting so that both the sides, both the hands can be cut out simultaneously. So you can see the two pairs of hands are ready. Now it's time to put them on the puppet. So our clown puppet is ready. I hope you have learned how to make a clown puppet with sticks and paper cup whose hands and face can move. I'm sure you're going to try this at your home. I'm waiting to see your clown puppet.
Here, friends! I am the clown from Olympic Circus. I know many tricks to entertain you. I can even juggle 10 balls together. Visit my circus and try making more such clowns like me at your home. Bye-bye! So with this, we conclude the level 3 of our puppet making and puppetry course. If you still can't figure out from where to get all the craft items together, log into the Sparklebox website and check out their craft kit. I hope you'll find your requirements there. The link is given in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for latest notifications and updates. We'll be starting the level 4 from the next episode, in which we'll start making puppets with socks. Signing off for today. Stay happy, stay creative. Bye-bye.